Hello students, this is Suresh Mathematics. Uh, Already we finished the first chapter up to exercise 1.4. So today we discuss a new topic about exercise 1.5 logarithms. Before learning logarithms, we should recall exponential formulas which are in lower classes like 7th, 8th class. Just recall that exponential formulas. Let some exponential formulas like a power 0 equals to 1. Remember, just recall a power 0 equals to 1, a power 1 equals to a, and like a power m into a power n equals to a power m plus n, and more there a power m whole to the power of n equals to a power mn. So many exponential formulas there. So we take some new a few formulas we taken here. These are called exponential formulas are called index form or exponential form. We call index form or exponential forms. So simple numbers we take here. For example, 49 equals to, we can write as factors 7 into 7. Yes, 49 equals to 7 into 7. We can write 49 equals to 7 to the power of 2. Yes or no? 7 to the power of 2. So here 49 is a number. Yes or no? 49 is a number, and here 7 we call base. Already we learned in lower classes 7 is called base, and top of the number, top of the 7 is called 2 is called a power. These are all these basics you should recall. So here 49 is number and 7 is a base and 2 is called power. One more example we take here. 25 is there. See, 25 we can write 5 into 5. So 25 we can write 5 to the power of 2. So here 5 is called base and 2 is called power, and 25 is called a number. So carefully observe here what notations, what in exponential form, what is the notations you have to know. Here 81 we can write 3 into 3 into 3 into 3. So 4 times are there. So 81 equals to 3 to the power of 4. 81 we can write 3 to the power of 4. How? 3 into 3 into 3 into 3. So here 81 is called a number and 3 is called base and 4 is called power. So remember, in exponential form like this, we can write in notation number equals to base and top of the right side to the base we should write power. So number equals to base and here power. This is a notation of exponential form. Now we discuss about logarithms. So how you write logarithms forms? How write means we should know about this exponential, what here number, here base, here power. We should know that first before writing logarithm form. What is the logarithm form? Here see, a log. A log is nothing but a short form of the log. So after writing log, we should write a number. Where this number we take from exponential form. From exponential form we write the logarithm form. How you write logarithm form? From exponential form. From exponential we should take a number, base and power. Here see, in notation for logarithm form, log number to the base equals to what will come? Power. These number, base and power we should take from exponential form. See one example we see here. Suppose 8 is, we can write 2 into 2 into 2, right? Here 8 is, we can write 2 to the power of 3. 8 equals to 2 to the power of 3. Here 8 is called what? Number, and 2 is called what? Base, and 3 is called power. So this exponential form we can write, try to write logarithm form now. So log 8, where it is come 8? From exponential form. This is in exponential 8 is what? Number. So log 8, and for the base 2. Here base is what? Here see, in exponential form 2 is the base, right? See, log number, see this is here, see notations, log number, see log 8, base is what here in exponential form? 2, so write base 2. These number and base, where we taking, from where we taking? In exponential form, yes or no? See, log 8 and for the base 2 equals to what will come here? Power. What is in exponential power? What is here? 3. So here 3, we write 3. So log 8 for base 2 equals to 3. This is exponential 8 equals to 2 cube. We can write like this logarithm form. So one more example we take here. 81 equals to 3 to the power of 4. We can write 81 equals to 3 to the power of 4. This exponential we try to write logarithm form now. Here number, this is number, and this is 3 is base and 4 is power. In logarithm notation we keep the positions. Log 81. Here 81 what? A number. Log 81, and base is what here? 3. Log 81 for the base 3 equals to 4. This is what? We are converting exponential form to the logarithm form. So this is the class today. Tomorrow we will discuss some more example and start the exercise 1.5. So thank you.